Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to reinstall keyboard drivers inside Windows 11 or Windows 10. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't make any mistakes and miss out on important information. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, on your Windows icon here, right click it and then click onto Device Manager, which is there. This will open up Device Manager. And now once you're inside here, look for keyboards or keyboard, which is here. Click onto it, and then from here right click the keyboard, and then you want to do search automatically for drivers. So if you're using outdated drivers, it will automatically go ahead and install it for you, but if your drivers are up to date, it will say the best drivers for your device are already installed, so that's good. So I'll do razor blade here, so I'm going to right click that, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. And again, the best drivers for your device are already installed. But if I'm using outdated drivers, it will automatically update it in this process. So yeah, that's it for this quick video, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.